Hey there, in this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to fix ChatGPT image generations not working and get it back to normal quickly. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To fix ChatGPT image generation, you must first consider if you have your VPN active. If your VPN is active or an antivirus software, it might block DAL-E for mistaking it as a dangerous site. For one of the fixes for ChatGPT's image generation, you can clear your cache in ChatGPT. In order to do that, you must navigate yourself to Settings on Google Chrome, click the three dots, and scroll down, go to Settings, and here in the Settings, go to Privacy and Security. In here, scroll down and find third-party cookies. In the third-party cookies, find the CO data and permissions, and in the filter site, type ChatGPT. After typing ChatGPT, click the bin icon where you can delete the data and the cache. This will delete any excessive memory that might hinder ChatGPT in terms of generating images. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.